To turn on or off silent mode on Redmi A5, you can for sure do this, and there are two ways to do this. And the first one is you simply can go into the settings. From here, scroll down and go into the sound and vibration. As you are there, scroll down and right here you will be able to find the silent mode switch. So you can simply turn it on or off right here. And the second method, because this was the first method, and the second method is you simply have to press any of the power buttons, so this sidebar appears, and as it appears you simply have to press on this icon of this speaker right here and select the icon of the silent mode. This is the icon for the silent mode, and as we go back into the settings we will see that as we toggle this switch right here, the silent mode will go on or off. As you can see, let me just show you. Right here we have the silent mode, and as we press this switch right here, the silent mode is being toggled on and off. So this is how to do this.